welcome right back at it. We're out here doing sugar beets today, and we got a whole crew of them going. We got 5, 6, 7 trucks running, 2 carts, a beater, and a harvester. And me, I'm pulling trucks. Soon we'll be pulling trucks right out of the field. It's a little bit muddy. It rained 3/10 yesterday, just enough to make it a little bit wet. We just started the headlands. We're making a land across the field. A lot going on out there. I'm just gonna pull the truck out once it's full, but as you can see, we got truck going. Dump cart's about to dump on the big green cart. You guys have seen that in previous videos. I think my sister's gonna jump in here and pull trucks, and I think I'm gonna get in a truck because we have one sitting up there in the yard. The Beet factory just opened up for everybody. Everyone's hauling in there. They're getting tons of beets. They opened up yesterday. They opened up yesterday. We just decided it was a little wet, so we didn't haul any yesterday or dig any. Here we are today. It's windy, it's drying out good. All right, here we go.
Mark, you're loaded, are you? Yeah, I said I got enough to go to Carol's, so I'll head down.
Well, that's how you pull a truck out of the field. You just unhook the pin and then slow down a little bit, and the sucker will fall right down, and they can just drive the rest of the way out. You just have to get out of the way. About to get her loaded here. So this is quite the improvement since last year. No, that was 2 years ago that I made that driving semi video, I think. I don't know what gear I need to be in now. Improved quite a bit since then. Made about a day's worth of trips to the factory already. This is like a side of sugar beets that you guys haven't really seen yet. Going to the factory. We're gonna do it today. We're about to get under the harvester. This truck in front of me that's loading is gonna get pulled right out, and I'm gonna slide right under the harvester. I would show you, but I have to drive. I need somebody here with me to record. races, boys and girls. My battery's gonna die on the way there. Okay, we're out to the factory. We're about a mile into the drive. What we do here is shift a bunch of gears to get up to the speed we want to go. We're gonna raise our lift axles. Can't turn with your lift axles down, obviously, because the trailer won't turn. Let's get up to the stop sign. So many cars. Oh my God, I should have went. What am I doing? Passing another one of our trucks going back to the field. I've been driving for about 5 minutes, and we're entering the city of Cairo. Okay, who am I? So when you get up to the scale, you'll see me give them this little card, and that tells you what grower and what field you're in or from. So this is the gate to the factory right here. Pretty bumpy. There's trucks everywhere dumping. I wish you guys could see this, but I'm driving. Hi. And there's trucks lined up over there too. Like they're not even spreading out. I've been to this piler a lot in early digs, so I just came here. I think this guy spilled some beets ahead of me. This piler would break down as a matter. Well, they got her going. It sounds like it though. Why did I come to this piler? There's like a blue flashing arrow that lets me know when to go up or down. Done dumping, and now I'm getting my tear dirt. Just the dirt that falls off the beets when it's going into the pile. And I'm never close enough to this stupid thing. But this time I literally can't because the arm is right in front of me. Holy moly. Piece so bad, and I'm hungry. I have my lunch, but I didn't eat it when I was sitting at the factory. I don't know why. I forgot I had it. Oh, look at the fall colors. Holy shit, it's windy. I damn near flew off the road. I'm dumping my trailer right now and eating my lunch because it's about the longest break I get. Now my dirt's way at the front of the trailer, so it's gonna come slamming down. Right, here it comes. salami sandwich, the best kind there ever was. Best kind there ever will be. Nothing else can get better than some straight up salami. That didn't work. There's a beet in my... Look at... Now we're good. We just need to make sure the radio's on so we know what's happening. The two-way radio. They're so long, so I'm just waiting. Alright, so I think I only hauled like 4 or 5 loads today, which really is not that much. Now I'm just dumping my dirt. My sister will never pull me out when I literally can't move. I cannot move. Here she comes, because I yelled at her and told her to pull me out. So I think Marty's following me. Is it Marty? Probably.
Yep, I heard you.
I'm going. What are you doing?
Changing my latch up.
Oh, why do you have that?
So I don't spill
Recording
beet.
you. It don't matter.
It does too. If a cop sees it, you'll be in trouble.
Oh God, this is big in here. This is what you do.
Kinda, yeah.
Why did it take you so long?
What?
Have you been back since?
No, the harvester had a breakdown. Don't you know the rules of the factory,
What?
Mitchell?
No, I don't.
You have to shut your headlights off. That's what everyone does.
Oh, I better turn mine off. Do I need to do it?
That's what everyone does, yeah. Too late.
I'm new. I don't know that. But yeah, it's been a long day hauling to the factory. I think I got like 4. I literally only got 4, but I swear I did 5. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully we can get some more beet harvest videos in. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like this video and subscribe for more like this from the farm. And some more random videos that I do whenever, randomly. So, alright, thanks for watching. See you next week.
We just don't rust on, but on everything. Boots, beer, giant.